3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. 2019. Welcome to The Internal with Jim Cipriano. Do you see him? Yep, he's right here. I'm Jim Cipriano. Good to see you guys again. Are you ready? You set your goals, you make your resolutions, because guess what? Today we're going to be talking about it. And if you have not made your resolutions, better yet, you've made them and haven't kept them, you need to get on it. Because I'll tell you what, they're going to be gone by March if you don't step to it right now. Oh, I've seen it happen time and time again. The gym fills up in January, February starts to trickle out a little bit more, and then by March, everybody's canceled their resolutions. Nobody's reading books, everybody stopped trying to lose weight. It's a horrible thing to see. Today, hopefully these tips will be able to help you avoid all that nonsense. Today's topics include how to make a New Year's resolution that's going to stick, how to make a New Year's resolution attainable so that you're not going to give up on it within a week, and lastly, how to self-motivate, because that's the most important part of everything. What is a New Year's resolution? Well, off of the top of my head, if I had to guess, I would say that Webster's dictionary defines it as a firm decision to do or not to do something. How can we craft a resolution that's not going to be ridiculous right off the bat? First off, you're going to want to have a vision, okay? Having a vision is important. You're going to want to be specific with your goal. Don't just be like, I want to lose weight. You want to be like, I want to lose 15 pounds by March or else I am a failure. You don't have to beat yourself up about it. I mean, everybody motivates differently. That's how I do it. Vagueness kills dreams, folks. Yeah, I want to get here. When? That's what you gotta ask yourself. Set a timeline. You absolutely have to have a general goal. Make it something simple to do. Eat less. I want to eat less. Okay, you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cut out the dessert. If your goal is specific, set up your steps. Break it down into tiers. How are you going to get there? Okay, I want to lose 15 pounds by March. Well, first I'm going to start running every other day, and then I'm going to start eating less. Don't make your goals too big. That is where you get discouraged, okay? I'm 400 pounds now, and I want to look like Ryan Reynolds by the end of the year. You're going to get discouraged anytime you go to eat ice cream because you know for a fact that if you want to look like Ryan Reynolds by the end of the year, you don't have a chance to do anything other than drink water and ice cubes. Put a cap on your resolutions. Don't have 20 of them at once, all right? You're going to get overwhelmed, and then you're just going to throw all of them out. I've seen it happen before. No, I've done it before. Like, yeah, I'm going to get straight A's in school, and then I'm going to get the body of Ryan Reynolds, and then I'm going to get $500,000 by the end of the year. Guess what? If one of those falls off the rails, it's a slippery slope for all of them to fall off the rails. If only we had some example resolutions to give you guys, I would love to. Oh, what's this right here? A list of example resolutions. Well, I guess I could go over a couple of them. Lose 15 pounds. Learn Portuguese. Organize a different room in your house every 2 weeks. Master the crane kick from Karate Kid. Get a new job before April. Participate in a flash mob. Defeat Cobra Kai in the karate tournament and earn the respect of your sensei. Read one new book a month. Learn CPR. Eat a whole cake. Practice meditation. Drink more water. Win the Crown Cup in Mario Kart. Start a shell collection. Sell a shell collection. Do a backflip on a trampoline before the summer is over. Stop smoking cigarettes. Start smoking noobs on Fortnite. Save $5,000 this year. I mean, those are just a couple off the top of my head. You do it. You run with it. I mean, those are just some examples. So I hope that gave you a little bit of groundwork to make your own. Those fools at Cobra Kai got another thing coming if they think I haven't been putting in the work this year. Lastly, I want to talk about some ways that you can self-motivate, as self-motivation is what separates winners from absolute failures. People say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. That was former Navy man and excellent public speaker Zig Ziglar. And that's some pretty true advice. Motivation doesn't last. You got to bring that out of your depths every single day. You want to pull it deep from within, because I'm going to tell you right now, you know the feeling of waking up at 5 a.m. sitting on the edge of your bed, wondering why you have a job. This look. Oh my God, it's only Tuesday. Skip right over that. Just skip right over it. You know what helps? Jumping jacks. One thing you can do is make a list of upsides, all right? Put your goal at the top. I want to lose 15 pounds by March. You look at that goal, and then surrounding it, write every single positive thing that goes with losing 15 pounds by March. You got a six-pack. You're ready for your summer bod. Now you get to gain 15 pounds back, and that's the fun. It takes a long time to lose 15 pounds, all right? Week 3, you're like, why am I doing this again? So put those positives up on the board and make sure you can see them every single day. Don't forget the goal. Get there. That's the hardest part. You gotta get there. Alright folks, I am Jim Cipriano. This has been The Internal. Thank you to Blue Chip Talent for having us here once again. You guys have a fantastic rest of your 2019 January. I will see you in a couple of weeks with some more tips. Stick around.